Hello friends, today let's solve this problem. So here we see a new series where we have the numbers 5, 15, 45 and we have to find the 8th term in the series. Now if you look at these numbers, it follows a specific pattern. So if you look at it, the relationship between these numbers 5 into 3 equal to 15 and then 15 into 3 is equal to 45, and similarly if we solve this problem we'll have to find the 8th term. We call this type of series as geometric series, where let's consider a is the first term. In this particular scenario a is 5, and let's see the ratio between these numbers. The common ratio is 3 is the ratio in this particular scenario. So in these type of problems, if we have to find the nth series, that is a of n equal to the a into common ratio of n minus 1. In this particular scenario, the 8th term of n, that is which is 5, equal to 5 into 3 to the power 8 minus 1, which is 5 into 3 to the power 7. Now if we solve this, which is equal to 5 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Let's say it is equal to 5 into 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 243, 243 3s are 729, and 729 3s are 2187. So we get 5 into 2, 187, and the answer to that one is 10935. So the answer to this problem, if you look at it, the 8th term of this series is 10935. Try to solve similar problems by giving your own equations and let us know in the comments. Thank you.